I've been doing weekly hot oil treatments on my hair consistently for over a year now, and I can honestly say that this has been one of the main reasons that I have finally been able to retain moisture in my fine type 4 high porosity natural hair. In this video, I'm showing you how I create and use my moisturizing hot oil treatment along with the curly Proverbz coffee and orange oil. Stay tuned to see how I make it, how I apply it, and listen to all the benefits that this product has to offer. I'm firstly going to add 3 ounces of olive oil to my applicator bottle, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of organic honey. I like to use this brand of honey from M&S, but of course any organic honey will do. So if your hair is struggling to retain moisture or it's feeling dry, this olive oil and honey combination is everything. You can add whichever oils your hair loves, but I'm just keeping it simple today, okay? I'm then going to top up the bottle with another ounce of olive oil before going in with 5 drops of curly Proverbz coffee and orange glow, which is an essential oil. So you do want to make sure you're mixing this with the carrier oil before application. And just so you know, I will be giving you the benefits of each of the ingredients a bit later on in the video. What you then want to do is pop your applicator bottle into hot water for about 5 minutes, and after that give it a really good shake so that the oils and honey mix really well together. If you don't shake it vigorously, then the oil will sit at the bottom of the bottle, so shake well before use. Now I've just drenched my hair with warm water under the shower, which is going to allow my cuticles to open and readily accept the ingredients within my hot oil mixture. And this is what I recommend you do rather than just spraying your hair with cold water. It definitely makes a difference when it comes to the mixture effectively penetrating your hair strands. I thought I would give you some length checks and comparisons throughout the whole of this video to prove to you that my holistic, healthy and natural DIY products truly work. Right, so I'm now applying the treatment to my scalp, and I would encourage you to do the same because this is going to help increase blood flow to the scalp. And because I've added in the coffee and orange glow, this is also going to help to decrease or minimize shedding. At the time of me filming this video, I've been using the coffee and orange glow each week for 4 weeks now, and I'm noticing a reduction in my shed hair. How do I know this? Because I monitor everything when it comes to my hair and even keep track of my shed hair, so I can easily tell when an ingredient is beneficial to my scalp, and the orange and coffee glow is very beneficial. Once the section is completely covered with the mixture, this is when I like to gently and carefully finger detangle my hair. And what you'll notice is just how easy it is for me to do that. And like I said, my shed hair each week is minimal, which is why my hair is fuller than it's ever been. I'm now going to twist up this section, pop it back in the cap and move on to the next. Moving on to the next section, and I'm not gonna lie, whilst filming this video I was actually shook that my hair is growing at such a rapid rate. So this is less than 2 years growth, which makes it 1.5 years since I used any formulated conventional synthetic product on my hair. I have achieved this length by using strictly DIY homemade products. Can you believe it? Well, it's the truth. Ingredients solely from nature work. So while I continue to apply my hot oil treatment to my hair and scalp, I'm going to go over the benefits of each of the ingredients I'm using. Let's start with the organic olive oil. So it's deeply moisturizing. So like I said, throughout the week, you are going to be able to retain moisture a lot easier. You'll notice the difference over time if you do this week in and week out. So don't skip your hot oil treatments, okay? I don't care whether you're low porosity or high porosity. This is super beneficial to the health of your scalp and hair. Now, olive oil is rich in fatty acids. This oil easily penetrates your hair strands, hence the reason why your hair will be effectively moisturized from doing this treatment. It's also great at controlling excess frizz, and it helps to define your coils and curls. The antioxidants within olive oil also help to protect your hair from damage. It reduces breakage, so you're going to retain the length of your hair, and it just adds this beautiful shine to your hair. So whatever oils you choose to add to the mixture, make sure that olive oil is in the mix. Actually, if you use olive oil on your hair, please do let me know in what way you use it and what have you found from using it. What are your results basically? Now, I actually went about my business. I went and had some breakfast, done some cleaning, and now I'm back to finish the rest of my hair. I'm going to now give you the benefits of one of my favourite ingredients, which is organic honey. I swear by honey. I swear by it. You hear me? Now, most of us know honey is a humectant, so it's going to attract moisture from out of the air and put it in your hair. And when I tell you it works wonders in the spring and summer months, when my hair is out in the fro, it stays super moisturized, super soft all day. We don't play when it comes to honey, okay? We don't play. Honey also makes the hair smooth, which helps the hair to have that glow, you know, that shine. It helps to keep the hair healthy and strong. It's antibacterial, so great for the scalp. Its antioxidant properties can help with dandruff and dermatitis. It promotes hair growth, reduces hair breakage, and it's just a great all-round product for our hair. Now again, let's do some more length checks because I need you to know, I really need you to know that what I teach here on my channel about holistic hair health is so beneficial to your hair and scalp. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. So be sure to check out my other videos. I've been documenting my hair journey using all natural products for some time now, and I hope more than anything that you will find the videos useful in some way. Now, I'm going to be honest, and this is something I don't actually think I've said before here on my channel, but one of the main reasons I create this type of content is to try and motivate as many women and men as possible with afro textured hair to stay clear of toxic hair products. I am proof that you don't need them. Listen, I care about my community, okay? I care about you. I care about your health way more than the manufacturers who are selling you these toxic products. So please do try to replace any synthetic hair products that you may have with healthier options. Watch my videos on how to create healthier alternatives, and please put the health of your hair and scalp into your own hands. Share my videos with your friends and family, and hopefully together we can make a change. Okay, with that being said, let me talk about one of my favorite content creators here on YouTube who just so happens to own Curly Proverbz. Her channel and website will be linked in the description, but yes, Farida, the owner of Curly Proverbz, sells healthy and natural products to enable us to effectively care for our hair and scalp. So as you know, I added her coffee and orange oil to my hot oil treatment, and the benefit of adding this, babe, you are not ready for the results you're gonna get. You're not ready. No, actually you are ready. Let's firstly talk about the ingredients within this product. So we have tangerine, obviously coffee and green tea. Now these ingredients are amazing for blocking the hormone DHT, and DHT is what causes hair loss and even baldness. So the ingredients within the coffee and orange glow help to block DHT. So this is the reason why my shedding has decreased significantly. Remember, if you are able to minimize or reduce shedding, your hair is going to be fuller. Okay, do yourself a favor and check out her products because it is possible to achieve thicker, fuller, longer hair naturally without jeopardizing your hair health or your health in general with toxic ridden products. I'm speaking for all of us here when I say we do not want toxic hair products. We don't want to pay our hard-earned money for toxicity. We want to support those who support us and our health, and Curly Proverbz is doing just that. So once I've applied my hot oil treatment to the entirety of my hair and scalp, I'm going to keep it covered with my shower cap, and then I'm going to cover my hair with my heat cap, which I absolutely love. I purchased it off Amazon and it was worth every penny. I'll have it linked in the description if you're interested. If you don't have an electric heat cap, that's fine. You can simply just leave your shower cap on to generate a bit of heat. I'm going to leave my heat cap on for about 45 minutes before cleansing my hair. Now, I have formulated the most amazing, natural and organic homemade DIY moisturizing shampoo. Luxurious is the right word for this product. It cleanses my hair and scalp effectively without leaving it stripped. Every ingredient I've used within this product is healthy for your hair and scalp. It leaves my hair super soft, and watch how my hair looks when I rinse it out. My curls are lush. I will have this very detailed natural shampoo tutorial coming soon. I then go in with the Curly Proverbz Henna and Aloe Mask, a tutorial of which will be up and live for you to watch next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Take care.